Hey my gorgeous girls, this is Shehla today. So I have done my base and we are transitioning into the summer, and in some areas it will be spring. So as the summers come in Pakistan, they are pretty intense. So we will get started with this look in which I'm going to do the contour. My contour game has entirely changed when it comes to summers, and I will be using the powder and sculpt brush by Charlotte Tilbury, this one, and then Golan, this quartz which is called Terracota Four Seasons, and it's the shade blondes. It's a bit lighter. I have a darker version on this one as well, but I like to go lighter on my contour on the day when. So what I will do, dip the brush in all the four quartz, tap off the excess, and then I will start on the outer rim of the face. So instead of going very low as usual, I will go higher on the cheekbones here. Okay, now the darkest of the product goes here, and then as we come in, the product automatically will be less. You can see the deposition of the product and how the contour is working. We will go on the more contour areas. My chin definitely needs a heavier contour, but in summers I refrain from it unless it is an event which is where I will be highly photographed, or it is an event where it's a formal function, so I will refrain from it. I have gone along the borders of the face, along here, and you can see how my hand is moving and doing its thing. Now for the nose, I will just go in like this. It does not need a harsh contour, a little will be enough. Now the face looks sculpted. I will go a little bit more under the cheekbone and low. So that's the level of contour we are going to do today, no more than that. Now let's come to the blusher. I will be applying two blushers. One is by Christian Dior. It's Cocktail Peach. This is the shade here. It's like a pinkish peach. It matches perfectly with my lipstick. And I will go in on and top of the contour. I will go on top and also a little high above the contour. It will mix out the contour shade. It will enhance my sculpt a little bit more. As I always use two blushes, the other one I am using is by MAC and it is Modern Mandarin. So this shade is a bit darker on the Mandarin side. It will be pronounced here mostly. And I think I look like an orange peach cocktail. Look at this one here. Now to blend out everything in place and set it in place, I'm using the same brush. I haven't changed it. I'll be using Lunar Lights by MAC, and I will go on top of my blush, like right on top. See, what it does is that it gives a highlight. At the same time, it helps you to blend out the product on the top of your cheeks beautifully, and everything blends beautifully into each other. So this is how I do my routine in summers, and I will do just a little bit of the cleaning up here in case the product that got here, it will be cleaned out. See, this is the finished look. I'll be sharing more.
يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا زعل اولع ما هو كل